Now today I will teach you special products. In this topic we use 4 formulas to solve the exercise. First formula is x plus a plus x plus b and x plus c is equal to x cube plus in a bracket a plus b plus c x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. This is the first formula. Second is a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a cube plus b cube. Third is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square is equal to a cube minus b cube. And the fourth formula is a plus b plus c and a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. We use all 4 formulas to solve the questions. Now we start the first question, second part. The question is x minus 6 into x minus 4 into x plus 2. Let us suppose compare with this equation x plus a, x plus b, x plus c. That we know the formula. So compare with it. The value of a is minus 6, the value of b is minus 4 and the value of c is 2. Now write down the formula and substitute the value. A is equal to minus 6, so x minus 6, b is equal to minus 4, so x minus 4 and c is equal to 2. Now substitute the value x cube and the value of a, b and c, similarly ab, bc and ca, and then into x plus abc means minus 6, minus 4 and 2. Substitute the value from here, okay, and simplify. So the value of x cube is x cube, simplify, minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10, minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8, x square. Similarly simplify this expression to get 24 and minus 8 and minus 12, and 6 4 is 24, 24 2 is 48 and minus minus plus, and simplify to get the final answer. So the question number 1, we have 4 parts, so solve all parts like similar to this. Now question number 2, simplify using following identities. So the identity is given over there in the previous page and this is the formula number 3. So you have to write down the formula first and then rearrange the expression in this form, substitute the value and finalize to get the final answer. Question number 3, the question is using suitable identities evaluate. So the question is 104 whole cube. That we already done in the previous exercises. 100 plus 4 whole cube. Expand 104 in 2 parts and then use the formula of a plus b whole cube and apply and get the final answer. Similarly the second part is 97 whole cube, which is 100 minus 3 whole cube, which is a minus b whole cube. Identity on page number 58 is mentioned over there. Use the value. This is a and this is b. This is a and this is b. Apply the values and get the answer. Question number 5. Evaluate. This is the question. Let us suppose 1.2 as a and 0.3 as b. So substitute the value of a and b in the expression. You will get this expression. Now a means a cube minus b into b into b means b cube. Now page number 58, identity is given over there. We apply this identity. So a square plus ab plus b square upon the formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Now you see these two are same, we have to cancel it. What is left? 1 upon a minus b. Now substitute the value of a and b and subtract to get the value of 1 upon 0.9 and remove decimal to get 10 over here. So what is the answer? 10 upon 9, and 10 upon 9 is equal to 1 whole 1 upon 9. Now in this case the final answer is given. Now question number 7, x plus 5y is equal to 10 and find the value of the given expression. So let us suppose this equation as first equation, cubing on both sides. Now apply the formula of a plus b whole cube. So what is the formula? X cube plus 5y whole cube plus 3 into x into 5y, x plus 5y is equal to 1000. Now open the bracket. So 5y whole cube means 125 y cube, okay, and 3 5s are 15 xy, and the value of x plus 5y is given in the first equation, which is 10. So apply 10 over here, and this value is equal to 1000. Now what we do, x cube plus 125y cube plus 15 tens are 150 xy, and 1000 will transpose to left hand side to get minus 1000 is equal to 0. Now this is the expression required over there. So what is the answer? 0. Now in question number 10, prove that x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is always positive. Now how to solve this question? In this case, the question is given, multiply and divide by 2 in numerator and denominator, and rearrange 2x square in two forms, x square and x square. Similarly, 2y square means y square and y square. Similarly, 2z square can be break in two parts, z square and z square. Now rearrange the expressions in this form, divide by 2. So now you see the formula. What is the formula? X minus y whole square, which is x square plus y square minus 2xy. Similarly others. Now you see, the whole square means any number to the power 2 is always positive, either it is negative or positive. So the question required, this expression is always positive, means we got this expression, and if you take any value of x or y as negative, you will get the positive answer. 1 by 2 there is no matter. So this expression is always positive, divide by 2 is also positive, so it means that this expression is always positive as they are the sum of squares. Now it means if this expression is positive, it will come from here. So this expression is also positive. This is the end of exercise 4e and in this chapter also. Next chapter is factorization. So make sure that you be ready for this chapter, factorization. Okay? Thank you.